well done to a football career noma ibe short cause semncane if a 2K 2001 well done to performance yakhe career yakhe okuhlungu ukuthi ke usheshe wahamba kakhulu esesemncane but nje football ukwenzile ngisho ukuthi okuningi bese achievele futhi ubesazokuachieve nokunye sasheshe sasifishana isikhathi sakhe.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonto Nkabi. Bafethu sithi welcome back to starting 11. Nangenjwayelo bafethu nazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa. Ngaba noSibuda Libuda, Siburu Grand.
Shaphu kunjalo.
Hayi sikhona bafethu. Si right kodwa sikho right bafethu. Namhlanje sikho ngendaba ezinhle size ngendaba ezimbi za Jayden Adams, umdlali wesquad obedlalela eMamelodi Sundowns midfielder. Sithola umbiko ukuthi Jayden Adams akasekho but bafethu sithanda nje ukuthi condolences kumndeni wakhe to South Africans abantu abebemazi abantu bebemthanda ama teammates akhe na wonke nje umuntu obemazi bafethu sithi condolences alehlanga olungehlanga uSibuda uzongena ukuthi uJayden Adams uqale ukudlala ibhola then nama achievement yakhe then simvalelise kahle umfana uhambile indlela yakhe Sibuda
azoke sinibingelele babukeli sinibingelele ma followers ma subscribers ethu Sibude Libude in the house ya udaba lo mfana uGrotmane Jayden Adams igama lakhe Grotmane li 2K izinto zenzeka yabe uGrotmane isizwe la Jayden Adams isidlulile emhlabeni ya indaba ezibe buhlungu ezibe ezimbi kakhulu lezo insizwa le yase Cape Town ezalelwe endaweni yase Cleotville indawo nje mangithatha ukubheka futhi ngalezi akhathi eyayingekho well developed kudonswa kanzima kuphila kulukhuni ya ezalwa nge5 May nomunye ke analyst izalwa ngazi 5 May 2001 wadlula July 2000 kuwo lo July lo cishe nge11 2026 ya ifootball career yakhe iqale kuma academy esesemncane esadevelopa lapha ku Stellenbosch FC academy yakhona nakuyi Cape Town Spurs kwi early young ages lapha kwemi development akhona uke wakhona iqala ifootball career yakhe ya ngaleso sikhathi wayesemncane kakhulu ukuthi ikhono lalikhona simazi manje ukuthi uyi defensive midfield yawo so from 28 August 2020 kula khona eqala khona ifootball career professionally se develop waqeda idebut yakhe kwakuyigame substitute kwi Stellenbosch la khona iStellenbosch esadraw ngo-1-1 khona ya wadlala waqala lapha intshisekelo yakhe cause ama season awadlala kwi Stellenbosch close to 4.5 seasons edlala lapha waba nama appearances around 109 to 139 approximately ube starter futhi ewashaya ama goals abalela lapho go 9 goals ama assist akaba 10 contributor futhi laphana kwi Stellenbosch kahle futhi kamnandi ngendlela yokuthi ngesikhathi Stellenbosch sithatha iCarling Knockout Cup 2023 wayekhona and wayisiza iteam kusho ukuthi wayibeka induku ebandla kwi Stellenbosch uJayden Adams ngendlela yokuthi nama scout or iMamelodi Sundowns yayibona amagalelo akhe ukuthi ikhono likhona yambona indlela performa ngayo kwi Stellenbosch and then yabona ukuthi no leli khono nathi siyalidinga singalithatha futhi silibeke kwelenye izinga lapho ejoyina khona omkwena kwi-middle, uyi-defensive midfielder. So early January nje uqala 2025 ila khona wasayina iMamelodi Sundowns efika lapho, and at that time iMamelodi Sundowns yayisa ne-tournament enkulu ye-Club World Cup, kodwa sobala la waba khona wafeature kuma games alocally like ama cup games akhona la, noma ke kungazange kube khona ewina iMamelodi Sundowns, but ke in CAF Champions League waba khona ngendlela yokuthi yaze yayiqukula iMamelodi Sundowns iCAF umdlali, futhi bese linyukile izinga lakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns, bese linyukile ngendlela ukuthi wazi waba umunye umdlali waba khona esquadini. So efeature kuMamelodi ekora futhi waba nawo ama-assist kwi Sundowns, ngayo nje le season 1.5 season ucontributile kakhulu ngendlela futhi bese irregular starter, yabo. Waparticipate kwi-Club World Cup efika first season yakhe, of which kwenye inkathi ungamblame umdlali ukusuka eteamini leyo asuke ekuyona eyojoyina iMamelodi Sundowns. Kuyinhlahla kabani ukuthi uyafika eteamini iyodlala i-tournament enkulu kangaka, mangakho ama-team, mangakho ama-legend angakaza idlala i-Club World Cup. Yeah, well done and wafitha kamnandi futhi kuleya position, wacombine kamnandi laphana noMkwena ekwazi ukuthi naye athola ithuba lokuthi akora, yabo. Even nasesquadini enomini wadlala, waba uJayden Adams lo awuye kuMamelodi Sundowns. I-performance yakhe alizange libe khona uvalo due to i-experience yokuthi ibuya kwi-CAF Champions League Sundowns, wadlala waba khona kwi-Club World Cup. So uma sedlala kwi-World Cup ama-big games akwi-high level useyawajwayele, uvalo alisekho. Waparticipate kule World Cup up until iBafana Bafana iphuma kuyi-last 32.
Yeah.
Well done to i-football career, noma ibe short cause semncane if eyi-2K 2001. Well done to i-performance yakhe, i-career yakhe. Okubuhlungu ukuthi ke usheshe wahamba kakhulu esesemncane, but nje football ukwenzile, ngisho ukuthi okuningi ubese achievile futhi ubesazoku-achieve nokunye. Sasheshe sasifishana isikhathi sakhe.
I know his life was cut short ngempela, but ke ubizo lomuntu bafethu, into engayisho nje mina ngoJayden, ayiJayden Adams beyindoda enesibindi man. Hayi, yabona, to go to ube irregular from Stellenbosch, and there was reports ama-media amakhulu kuthiwa uyaphi this is a suicide, career suicide, uyaphi kwiMamelodi Sundowns uzodlalaphi. But yena wabelieve again wathi mina nguJayden ngizokwazi ukufika ngiyibreak lapho. Wafika wabreaka, but there was a time he was lost, yabo.
Yeah.
Even kwi-squad bangambiza engasadlali kwiMamelodi Sundowns, lapha kuma-stands ehlala ebhentshini.
Yeah.
Waqala phansi wazibuka wathi hayibo, mina nguJayden ngiyadeserve ukudlala la. Waqala futhi wasebenza ejimini, ucoach waphilivela kuyena waphinde wambuyisa, noHugo Broos esquadini wambuyisa futhi, bese idlala kamnandi. Yabona une-local cup, une-league, une-Champions League.
Yeah.
He conquered.
Yeah, wayithatha i-league isizini ya 2024-2025.
Yeah,
wayekhona iqukula iMamelodi Sundowns.
He conquered.
Yabo.
So rest well Grootman, fly high bafethu, danke siyabonga.